One of the best workouts for building muscle in the upper body is the dip. Dips, a seemingly simple yet immensely effective exercise, hold the power to transform your upper torso in remarkable ways. I'll explain what happens to your body in this video if you perform 100 dips a day. Watch the video right to the finish. It's interesting. Which muscles are engaged in dips? Which muscles perform dips? The pectoral, deltoid, and tricep muscles contract the hardest during dip exercises. You will pump the mentioned muscles, enhancing their volume and strength, and bang the speed by executing dips on a daily basis. For this reason, a lot of weightlifting and martial arts athletes regularly include dips into their training schedules. The benefits of dips. Now let's discuss the key benefits of dips. Dips require a lot of muscles in the chest and triceps and provide a big load. Fibers in the job, almost every upper body group. With weights, dips are a continuous progression regardless of your level of fitness. Dips significantly boost endurance and strength. Dips help you strengthen tendons and ligaments, increase muscular definition, and develop your natural muscles. Not only do dips not negatively compress the vertebrae, but their hanging position also decreases hypertonicity in the muscles. Another important aspect of dips that target the muscles of the pectorals is the greater stretch provided to the pectoralis major muscle. This enhances posture and encourages the growth of muscles. The only real drawback to dips is that the procedure must be followed exactly. Athletes frequently do dips quickly, focusing more on the quantity than the quality. Dips proper technique. The classic dip technique. Jumping onto the bars and grip them with your hands, turning your palms toward your body. Breathe deeply, then slowly. Incline your body until your elbows are 90 degrees from your upper body. Lower yourself as far as you are able to if it doesn't work. Verify that your elbows are close to your body. As you exhale, start raising your upper body and stretching your arms. If the exercise is extremely challenging, then fully extend the elbows and give the arm muscles a rest. The focus that is placed on the load on the muscles is determined by the width of the grip. This is a variant of a dip exercise for the chest muscles if the bars are broad. It is thought to be more technically challenging and requires greater physical fitness. Narrow grips are used for performing dips of the triceps. You have to follow the basic guidelines for the workout to be as beneficial as possible. Knowing which muscles to contract during a dip is crucial, since it will allow you to perform the movements correctly. A round upper back or slouching shoulders puts additional pressure on the discs and increases the risk of injury. The back should always be straight. It is usually necessary to exhale while ascending. Additionally, increasing strain on the muscles will enhance neuromuscular communication and boost the overall advantages of exercise by increasing the productivity of movement. What can be done in place of dips? Exercises that engage the same muscle groups can take their place, like a dumbbell bench press or a traditional bench press. These workouts will be a great starting point for athletes who are unable to work out on uneven bars to build strength and achieve all parts correctly and technically. Weighted dips. You can start using weights when you have mastered the art of doing dips. It could be leg weights or a chain wrapped around the neck. Bodybuilders utilize this variation of the workout to greatly improve the definition of their muscles, as well as increase the mass of their thoracic muscles. That is it for today. Share your thoughts and subscribe for more videos.